The Browning high-power HP-35 is a single-action, semi-automatic pistol in 9mm. It is based on a design by American firearms inventor John Moses Browning and completed by Dieudonné Saive at FN Herstal. Browning died in 1926, several years before the design was finalized. FN Herstal named it the high power in allusion to the 13-round magazine capacity, almost twice that of other designs at the time, such as the German Walther P38 or the American 1911. During World War II, Belgium was occupied by Germany. FN Herstal continued to build guns for the Allied forces by moving their production line to a John Inglis and Company plant in Canada. The high power is one of the most widely used military pistols in history, having been used by the armed forces of over 50 countries. The Browning high power is a single-action design. A single-action pistol can only be fired with the hammer in the cocked position. This is generally done when a loaded magazine is inserted and the slide cycled by hand. In common with the 1911, the high power is therefore typically carried with the hammer cocked, a round in the chamber, and the safety catch-on, a carry mode called cocked and locked, or condition 1. The high power, like many other Browning designs, operates on the short recoil principle, where the barrel and slide initially recoil together until the barrel is unlocked from the slide by a cam arrangement. Unlike Browning's earlier Colt 1911 pistol, the barrel is not moved vertically by a toggling link, but instead by a hardened bar which crosses the frame under the barrel and contacts a slot under the chamber at the rearmost part of the barrel. The barrel and slide recoil together for a short distance, but as the slot engages the bar, the chamber and the rear of the barrel are drawn downward and stopped. The downward movement of the barrel disengages it from the slide, which continues rearward, extracting the spent case from the chamber and ejecting it while also recocking the hammer. After the slide reaches the limit of its travel, the recoil spring brings it forward again, stripping a new round from the magazine and pushing it into the chamber. This also pushes the chamber and barrel forward. The cam slot and bar move the chamber upward, and the locking lugs on the barrel re-engage those in the slide.